Hi, I'm Juha and I'm gonna show you how I clean my head for Haarsystem ready. And yeah, let's start from me without the system on. This is what I look like without my Haarsystem, and this is actually the line where I shave, and this is the growth of, I think, a month, I'd say, and I still have nothing in here, so, well, few hairs, so that's not much. But yeah, I'm just gonna wash this off. It has a little bit of tackiness from the glue, and yeah, then we can attach my Haarsystem. And what I use for my hair washing is this Sepamed sensitive skin wash. It's really good because I have sensitive skin and my head is also quite sensitive. And also I just leave this shampoo in my head for a few minutes because it helps the glue to get wash out easily. So just leaving it here in a few minutes and then wash it off. And yeah, now I've shampooed and now I'm just gonna shave off the outgrown hair. I'll be back with the shaved head. Yes, so now I have shaved my head, and yeah, it goes all the way down here. And yeah, because I'm covered in my own hair, I'm just gonna visit the shower and then glue it on, and you will see the finished product. It's not that hard, it's actually really simple, and it only takes about nowadays, because I'm used to it, something around 30 minutes, and I can go on my day after this. So I'm almost ready, so I'm just gonna show you this S1V stock Haarsystem in a color 5, if I remember correctly. And yeah, I'm just gonna glue my head and attach this, and I'll show you the finished product. And I'll just wanna quickly show the process. So I usually start from the back because I think it's much more easy to attach if I see the back is correctly, and then I just at the end adjust the front hairline. And now when I think the back is done and good to go, I'll just attach some glue in here and with this tiny brush, and then I'll set it in place. Yes, so now I'm ready. I just sprayed some water in here because I think that using only water will prevent the Haarsystem not tangling that much, because if I use hairspray or gels or anything else, it will tangle really easily. And yeah, this is the finished product. I like it so much. I like this middle part look that I'm trying right now. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you.